Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that delay. Okay, so I did forget to cross here. And as we go back, we came up with 87.92. That is not the same as 113.04, so we are not going to put a green check mark there. Then I'm going to look at the area of CB, sector CB. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a parts to whole, and we're going to end up with degrees is going to be 80 over 360. And x over 36 pi. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce this. So let's go ahead and reduce this to 2/9. And I divided 40 into 80 and 40 into 360 in order to come up with that value. Oops. You know, my color coding is not too hot right now. And this time I'm going to multiply the right way. So we get 9x is equal to 2 times 36 pi, which in turn gives me divide by 9, both sides, x equals 8 pi. We'll go ahead and do the math on that, because this is in decimal form again. And this time I'll go ahead and use my pi button. That gives me 25.12. Okay. Well, it's actually 13. I did it. Let's see what happens if I do it just by 3.14. 25.12. So it just depends. You're going to check that back and forth whether, because you know 3.14 is just a rounded version of pi. All right, so is CB equal to 113.04? Nope. So I went ahead and did CB, and I came out with 25.13 or 12. Let me go ahead and write that so that's not confusing. Either of those. Remember, we're doing an approximation at this time. All right, we know that CB is equal to 25.12, and yet up here, we know that CB and FE are equal. So is FE equal to 25.12? Yes. Okay. Back here, now we're going to come back up to this purple asterisk. When we did the math over here, we came out with x equals 87.92. They're telling me that 3 times this area, which we know to be 25.12, and we know this is 25.12, this is 87.92, and 87.92. They're saying that this area here is 3 times this area. And when I do the math, that comes out to 75.36. This is not true. It's not true. However, in the online assignment for Algebra Nation, it marks it as true. Okay? It's not a true statement. I don't know if it's a typo or a glitch or what. However, when you do it in the Microsoft Forms, I do not count this one correct. So do not mark this as true, even though Algebra Nation does mark it true. Okay, that's all I have for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free. Remember that we have A, C, and F as true, and I'll be happy to answer any questions.